So how many of you, like me, bought a new truck and you have to deal with this ridiculous start-stop button? I've got a solution for you. The solution does not involve my phone falling over. So here's the problem. You start your car. You always have to hit this bypass on the auto start stop, and then the next time you turn the car off, turn it back on, you have to do it again. But I found a part on Amazon that, so see, it's off now. I'm going to turn the truck off, and then I'm going to turn it back on, and watch it, it'll automatically bypass. There we go. So no more do I have to hit this ridiculous button. So I'll show you what I bought, and I'll show you what it took to put it in. It was like a 5-minute job. So here's the item, the start-stop eliminator. Tells you all you gotta do is open the glove box, remove it, find this plug right here, unplug it, and then put this part in between the two ends you just unplugged. So I'll walk you through it here. Glove box comes out very easy, just like that. And then come here. Here are the 4 plugs that are shown in the diagram. We're going to go to this one over here. I already have it loose, but right here is a little tab. Just push it on this, and this will pull right out. And here's the little part I bought. So one end goes, not that end. This end goes here. This other end goes in the bottom. So I'm going to put those in. I can actually do it one-handed. Let's try that. That's attached. Tried to do it one-handed, but was not successful. But get it in there. You see it light up. I'm going to tuck it right down in here. Slide my glove box back in. And I am finished.